day everyone, my name is Jamuna Rajidran. My matric number is BTAL 200604446. Today I am going to talk about my curry house booking system. It's the system for book the table restaurant. The system has only one part, which is for customer side. The customer side allows the customer to log in, view menu page, view table details, and also booking page. Okay, this is my login page algorithm. I declare the username and password. This is the output and the input. This is the procedure code. The next is menu page. This is the algorithm for the menu page. This is the procedure code for the menu page. This is the algorithm for the reserve page. Procedure code for the reserve page. That's all. Okay, this is my login page coding. Here I use my login page method, initialize the components, and use got button action for perform method. Here I use for username password, I use if else selections. So when I already set my name and my password. If I input the correct username and the password, it will shows login successfully. If I put the password or username wrongly, there will be a message which is wrong username or password. Example, here I shown my username Jamuna. If I put my password wrongly, then here will be this is the validation, wrong username or password. If I put the correct password, it will show login successfully. Here I already declare my variables, all the variables that I put here. This is the method I have been called. There will be menu page. After login, it will go to the menu interface. Here is the public class menu. I call the method, and here is the method, and I use available action buttons all here, and set visible to visible the application, and I already declare the interface which will be run. Got two buttons in this menu page. I've already called the method, and here I already declared the variables which I have used. For example, this is my menu page. After login, it will go to this menu page. Here got two buttons, availability and reserve. That's all. This is the table details coding. I import two packages. Public class, the class inherit the JFrame class. Here the method, variables of the method, and here got the array list. I declare the variables that holds the array of strings. Here is the array list that contain the table, the elements. And then here I use the table looping here, looping. This is the elements, and here is the looping. This is here I use loop through the array elements with the for loop, the size and how the lines the loop should run. And back button, I call the method, main method. This is to create and display the form to run. This is the declaration. Example of the table list, table details. Okay, after I click the availability, I go to the table details interface, which is got 12 rows and 3 columns, and this is the back button. You can see the schedule for the reserve the table. Interface reserve coding. uh, this is the class declaration for this interface. Inside the components, here I already called the method for the book button. Here got the I already declared the variables to get text. Here I use if else selections, which is for the reserve for the book reserve. This is the uh, got three buttons, and I already declared it. This is the calling method, and I already declared the variables. For example, when I go to reserve, this is my interface for reserve for book table. This is my name, name. I insert name, mobile number, and party size and date. Okay, when I just fill up this and I didn't fill up this one, if I click book, it will shows the validation all field required. So then I input the number. When I book, it will show successfully reserved. This is the validation. So I use this if else selection here, and after that we can print the reservation.